What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and really welcome to me trying to post every day for at least 7 days. There's a YouTuber that I follow, and he was doing the same thing. I was kind of like, I drive every day, why am I not picking up the camera and just recording something every day as well? So just left Costco getting some gas. Right now heading up to pick up some takeout. Girlfriend's not feeling in a very good mood, so when she comes back from work, I want to have some of her favorite meals there waiting for her. So join me on this journey up to get some takeout. We're going to Sam Woo. If you're Asian, you probably know Sam Woo inside 99 Ranch. I think that's 99 Ranch up there. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing now. So enjoy the LC. I'll talk here and there because, you know, I just don't want to be too boring in this video of just driving. We could chat about a little bit of stuff. But I'll try not to speak over the LC while I'm doing this video. Go ahead and take your right lane, good sir. This car's a little aggressive with its little pre-collision braking. So yeah, ignore that real quick. Let me actually put it into sport mode. And the temperature is beautiful outside today. 77 right now. Look, I got the thighs out, trying not to show too much, trying to behave, but yeah, the weather's beautiful. It's a great driving day. That's why we got the windows down. Just enjoying the sounds of the LC while we go get that pickup food. And you know what, while I'm doing this 7 days of video, if it goes well, I'll try to do 14 days straight. If there's anything that you want to see with the LC, mention it in the comments. It'll give me another idea to record. I still got to do a night drive. I know you guys asked for a night drive video without the microphone, so I'm gonna do that. I think I've ran the whole external microphone thing to the ground now, so we won't be getting too much of that for the near future. Just gonna get some interior good LC noises. Oh, that downshift was meaty. I'm also trying a new camera resolution. Let me not say resolution because it's still 4K, but usually I shoot on super view on the GoPros. Now it's just on linear, so it's giving me a little tighter of a view. It's gonna, I think it's also gonna change the speed perception, because with the wide angle lenses, it does actually make you look like you're going slower. So with this one, it may seem like I'm going the actual speed of the LC. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that camera angle as well as we make our journey up there. I'm hungry too, but I think we're gonna pick up some Peking duck, some black cod, some stir-fried vegetables. I was thinking about those walnut shrimp too, because those are so good, but we'll see. Anyways, I'll do some LC listening right now. other day I was driving on that left lane over there, and somehow somebody dropped those huge blue recycling bins that you put outside of your house right in the middle of the lane, dude. Everybody had to swerve around it. I was wondering, like, how does stuff like that drop on the highways? Or when you see beds on the side of the highway, couches, how does that get there? Videos I'm gonna try to keep a little shorter as well, so at minimum 8 minutes, hopefully at maximum 10, 11, 12 minutes, somewhere around there. Let me get a good acceleration for you guys, and then we'll just teleport over to the place that we're going to. Ooh, that 5th to 4th downshift, it's good. Just parked up here at 99 Ranch. I think it's near Convoy or Claremont Mesa. We're going to Sam Woo. It's inside of this grocery store here on the left hand side. Let's go pick up our food. All right, just walked out. Food is secure. Heading back to the car now. Let's get back on the road. Straight into manual mode. We'll try not to scrape on anything. Okay, we made it out safe. And here I gotta wait for the traffic to pass so I can angle my way out of here. We've made it. Put that back in sport. Low RPM downshifts pop. Oh my god. I'm surprised I haven't been pulled over by the cops in California yet. this traffic. It's not rush hour. On the way up here, there was no traffic at this point, but now there is. But anyways, it's gonna be too boring making any more video sitting in all this traffic. So thanks for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Peace.